Write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle 30 degree with a positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis. In the xy plane, unit vector is given by cos theta I cap plus sin theta z cap. It has 30 degree given. First question. We know that unit vector in xy plane is given by cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Given theta is 30 degree. Then what is the unit vector? Then our unit vector n cap is cos 30 I cap plus sin 30 j cap. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap. This is your unit vector. Okay, you can check cos mod is 1 because its mod is 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is find the scalar component and magnitude of the vector joining the points P and Q. What is the vector joining points P and Q? It means PQ vector. It means that is a PQ vector. Here, vector joining P and Q. Okay, P point and Q point. P is x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, and z2, x2, y2, and z2. So the vector joining PQ. Okay, so it implies PQ vector. So can you tell me what is OP vector answer and what is OQ vector answer? OP vector is x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. Similarly, it is x2 I cap, y2 j cap, z2 k cap. So PQ vector answer. PQ vector is OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP. So it is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. This is your PQ vector. What are the scalar components here? Scalar components. Scalar components means what are scalar components? Scalar components. These are scalar components. This and this and this. So scalar components, whatever the numbers associated with I, J, K are scalar components. Vector components complete this x2 minus x1 I cap vector component. Scalar components here. x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Then magnitude and PQ mod root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. You got that? How many questions you can solve from this list? I will select for you now. You can solve question number 5. Question number 5. Find the value of x for which xi plus j plus k is a unit vector. If this is a unit vector, then its mod is 1. You can solve this. A vector, B vector, C vector is given. Find a unit vector parallel to the vector this. Unit vector parallel to any vector. You find this vector. Unit vector means that they need cap vector. So you will find 2a vector minus b vector plus 3c vector answer. Okay. Then for the unit vector, you will write
the required unit vector is 2a minus b plus 3c upon mod of 2a minus b plus 3c. It will be done. And then you can do this also, collinear. This is also possible for you. And one question is here, area. The two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Adjacent sides. It means this is A vector, it is B vector. Okay. Find the unit vector parallel to its diagonal. Diagonal you can find. What is diagonal of? If A vector given and B vector given, diagonal means this A plus B. So A plus B you find, then parallel vector is A plus B only. And after that they are saying find the area also. Area is what? Mod A cross B. So this also you can solve. Start with question number 5, and before that finish this fourth problem, and after that finish third problem. Question number 4 first. 4 is actually easy. Fourth is by diagram only. If A vector equals to B vector plus C vector, then is it true? Is it, question mark, is it true that mod of A equals to mod of B plus C? No, mod of A equals to mod of B plus mod of C. Is it true? Is that true? No. ABC, suppose a triangle. Triangle, mod A means length A, side A. They are asking, is it true? Asking. They given only this. If A vector equals to B vector plus C vector, then is it true? If you apply mod means length. Now they are vectors. If A vector equals to B vector plus C vector, then is it true? Mod A equals to mod of B plus mod of C. It is not true. ABC, suppose this is A vector and this is A vector equals to B plus C. Okay. This is suppose A vector, this is B vector, this is C vector. So can I write this A vector equals to B vector plus C vector? Vector of addition of triangle. If I calculate mod A, it means length of this A vector, and mod B means length of this horizontal side, and mod C means length of this side. But you know, in a triangle, if you add any two sides, length, it will be bigger than the third side. In the triangle, sum of any two sides is bigger than the third side. Any two. This is the property of triangle. And mod A means length A, but they are saying sum of two sides equals to the third side, which is not possible. So that we will write in the answer. In a triangle, suppose ABC are forms a triangle. Okay, forms a triangle, and clearly E vector equals to B vector plus C vector. A vector, B vector, C vector. Okay, A vector B equals to B vector plus C vector, and we know that. Okay, we know that in any triangle, this is true for any triangle, all triangles. In any triangle, the sum of two sides more than the third side. Okay, since mod A, mod B, and mod C are the length of sides. So mod A vector not equal to mod B plus mod C. So this is verified here. Okay, so mod A not equal to mod B plus mod C, because mod A is the one side, length of one side, mod B length of the other side, mod C length of the other side. 5. Question number 5. Okay, given xi plus j plus k is a unit vector. Okay, and can I give some name? Suppose A, let that vector is A vector equals to x times I plus j plus k. Okay, I just assume A vector. Any vector I can assume, P vector, Q vector, R vector, N vector.
whatever. Let A vector is this vector, and if I multiply here, it will be x I cap plus x j cap plus x k cap. Also given this vector is a unit vector. It means mod is given A vector is a unit vector. It implies that its magnitude is 1. Then what is the magnitude value? See this vector, root over x squared plus x squared plus x squared equals to 1. Okay. Then root 3x squared equals to 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So 3x squared equals to 1 square. Then what is x squared? 1 by 3. Then what is x? Plus minus 1 by root 3. Plus minus 1 by root 3. So it is plus minus 1 by root 3. Always give the all possible answer. Okay. Only 1 by root 3 is not correct. If even minus 1 by root 3 also correct, it means there are two x possible. So that it will be a unit vector. 1 by root 3 I cap, 1 by root 3 j cap, 1 by root 3 k cap. Or minus 1 by root 3 I cap, minus 1 by root 3 j cap, and minus 1 by root 3 k cap. Okay. Find a vector of magnitude 5 unit and parallel to the resultant of the vector. How to give resultant of vector A and vector B? Resultant of vector A and vector B given by A plus B. Suppose this is force 1, force 2. Resultant F1 plus F2. Once you have this, then parallel vector is A plus B. Actually, you need 5 times A vector plus B vector. Okay. And question number 7. This is good question. We have some vectors given A vector equals to B vector equals to and C vector equals to. We have A vector as I plus J plus K, I plus J plus K, and B vector is 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap, and C vector is I minus 2J and plus K cap. Okay. Then find the unit vector parallel to this vector. Whenever any vector parallel to a vector, exactly you find that vector. You have to find first this value. 2A vector minus B vector plus 3C vector. Then compute this vector. 2A vector minus B vector plus 3C vector. Tell me what is this vector? Put the value. 2A vector, it means 2A vector is 2I plus 2J plus 2K. So it is 2I plus 2J plus 2K. Okay, then minus and B vector value. Because of minus, sign will reverse. Okay, because of this minus, it is minus 2I and minus minus plus J and minus plus minus 3K. Okay, then plus, then no sign change. 3C vector. So it is 3I minus 6J and plus 3K. Simplify I together. So this is 2I into I cancel. 3I cap minus 3J cap. Okay. Which one? This. Cancel. So 2J and minus itself. Okay. 2J and plus J here. Plus J. Then 2K plus 2K only. Okay. Plus 2K. Okay. Who's talking this one? Next, okay, who's talking? Tell.
This vector is, we got this vector. Now we need unit vector parallel to this vector. If they ask what is a vector parallel to this vector, same, or you can say 2 times this vector, because parallel vector means collinear and collinear means dependent. Dependent is a vector scalar multiple. So next a vector, a unit vector. We required a unit vector which is parallel to unit vector parallel to this vector, to a vector minus b vector plus 3c vector. H. Unit vector, can I say n cap? N cap unit vector. Then this answer is this vector to a vector minus b vector plus 3c vector divided by mod of this vector. Because unit means just divide by its magnitude. So answer is 2a minus b plus 3c. Simplify. This value is this 3i minus 3j plus 2k. So it is 3i minus 3j plus 2k divided by its magnitude. So this magnitude 3 square is 9 root over 9 plus 9 plus 4. So it is 9, 9, 18 and 4, 22. So answer is 3i minus 3j and plus 2 plus 2k divided by root over 22. This is your unit vector which is perpendicular, which is parallel to this vector. You can write in the standard form, just split that. Because in answer key they are splitting. Splitting 3y root 22 y cap minus 3y root 22 j cap and plus 2y root 22 k cap. You can also split, otherwise this is also correct. Okay. If you want, you can split. If you want exactly Mukesh answer. So it is 3y root 22 I cap minus 3y root 22 j cap and plus 2y root 22 k cap. Okay, this. Hey, this question is question number 8. It is so that the points A, B, C are collinear. How to prove collinear points? Using vector algebra. If they are collinear, it means sum of length of two vectors equals to the third vector. Then it is collinear. After that, find the ratio in which B divides AC. B divides AC. Once you got these, you have these points, easily you can find it. Because A is here, B is here, and C is here. You have this vector, you have this vector, you have this vector. Then by using section formula, you can easily tell in which ratio this B points divide AC. What is section formula? Suppose its position vector is R vector. Then n B vector plus n A vector upon m plus n. So firstly prove it they are collinear. Question number 8, prove that they are collinear vectors. A point, B point, C point. A point, B point and C point. Let's make it A, B, C points. A point, B point and C point. Okay. A point 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 and 8 minus 8. And point B 5 0 minus 5 0 minus 2 11 3 7. Okay, and you know in section formula, next we need section formula. So in that, let all these ABC join with origin. Correct now? So if I make here origin, then it is like this type. Correct now? Then OA vector, OB vector and OC vector. This I will do for the remaining part. Proving linear is diagram also not required. Can you tell me what is OA vector answer and OB vector answer and OC vector answer? OA vector, just I minus 2j minus 8k. OA vector, correct now? Position vector of A. It is, O is not mentioned. O, origin. OA vector is I minus
2j minus 8k. B vector, OB vector is 5i cap, 0j cap and minus 2k. And this is 11i cap, 3j cap, 7k cap. Okay. Now I want to prove they are collinear. ABC are collinear. It means I need AB length and BC length and AC length. Next, I need AB vector. AB vector. AB vector is OB minus OA. So simply just V minus A. Do 5 minus 1? 4i cap. Then 0 minus minus plus 2j and minus 2 and plus 8. 6 plus 8 minus 2 plus 8. 6 plus 6. And then what is BC vector? OC minus OB. So 11 minus 5. 6i. Okay. 3j. Okay. 5. No. 9. 9. 7 minus minus. Plus 7 to 9. Okay. Then what is AC vector? AC vector OC minus OA. 11 minus 1. 10 I cap and 5 J cap and 7 plus 8. 15 K cap. Now what is AB length? Length of AB vector. Length of AB vector. Find it. Find length of AB vector. Okay, this vector is root 56 and this vector is 126. This is 350. But root 56 we can write simplified version. 56. Okay, 4 14. Correct na? Root 4 into 14. It means it is same as 2 into 2 into 14. And what is this? What is this? 126. 126. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are 6. Then 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Correct na? 3 2 are 6. 3 7 21. So it is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay? Yes. Then what is this? 350 again prime vector is prime 350 prime factorization. First by 2 1 is 2 175. After that 3 5 is 3 5 is 5. No, then 3 by 3 it is not cancelling. Then by 5 5 3 is 15 and 5 1 is 5. 5 exactly. 5 3 is 15 and 5 5 is then it is 5 7 is. It means 2 into 7 everywhere coming. 2 into 7 root 40. So it is 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. This was the rough work. Just I will delete that rough work. This you can do yourself. Now from here write simplified answer. So it is same as 2 root 14 because 2 into 2 square. So 1 2 out. So it is 2 root 14. Okay. And what is this? It is 3 into 3 square root 14. I mean it will 3 root over 14. And what is this? 5 root 14. It is 5 root 14. So very clear. AB vector plus BC vector equals to AC vector. Coming now. 2 plus 3 5. So that implies that they are collinear vectors. Now, clearly AC vector equals to EB vector plus BC vector length. It implies that point A, point B, point C are collinear points. ABC are collinear points. It implies that A, B, C are collinear points. Okay, collinear is true. Next, we have to find in which ratio this B divides AC. Remaining part next. Next is now using section formula. Using section formula, they have asked you in which ratio B point divide AC. This one here. Okay. So can you tell me why using section formula? Why? So whenever they ask find the ratio, you have to assume lambda ratio 1. Okay, lambda ratio 1. So next, let B divides AC, correct na? B divides AC in lambda ratio 1. Lambda ratio 1. B divides AC in lambda ratio 1. It implies that this is lambda. In the figure, this is lambda and this is 1. Correct? Okay. Then why section formula? Why section formula? Can you tell me what is OB vector answer? OB vector answer. OB is like R vector. OB vector means this ratio, this vector plus this ratio, this vector. Like ulta, reverse. This N into A vector, M into B vector, that like na. So it will be 1 into this OA vector. OA vector means that vector. So it is 1 into OA vector plus lambda into OC vector upon 1 plus lambda. Okay, 1 plus lambda. Put the values. OA vector answer. OA vector answer. Either right? OA. There. I minus 2j minus 8k. Okay. Plus lambda OC vector. What is OC vector? 11 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 7 upon 1 plus 2 is 1 plus lambda. 1 plus lambda. Okay. Don't note. Okay. If needed, I will think first. Can I give any other method? First, I'm doing this method. Okay. So you stop. Then it is what? 1 plus 11 lambda I cap. Correct? No? Then plus minus 2 plus 3 lambda and j cap plus minus 81 and plus 7 lambda.
Not 81, only 8.
Oh, sorry, Sakwan. 8k only. Minus 8 plus 7 lambda and k cap. Okay, upon 1 plus lambda. What next? OB vector we know. OB vector we know. And if you observe OB in the OB vector, this middle is 0. So I will use this. I will just compare. I will get lambda value. Once I get lambda value, you can get answer. OB vector is 5i plus 0j and plus minus 2k. Okay, minus 2k. So now can I compare the scalar components? If both the vectors are equal, it means their scalar components are equal. Correct na? It means this component of j and component of j. Here j component 0 and right hand side component of j is minus 2 plus 3 lambda divided by 1 plus lambda. So now compare the scalar components. On comparing scalar components, I need only lambda, so I have to compare only the easiest one. Easiest one whenever 0 we have, that is easy for us calculation. So I will compare only middle. It will be 0 and this side minus 2
plus 3 lambda divided by 1 plus lambda. 1 plus lambda into 0 is 0. It implies 0 equals to minus 2 plus 3 lambda. This implies lambda equals to 2 by yes 2 by 3. And lambda 1, it means lambda by 1 is 2 by 3. Lambda by 1 is 2 by 3. And I assume lambda ratio 1. It means OB vector divide this B points divide AC in 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is the answer. Once you check answer. 2 raised to 3. It means point B divides AC in 2 raised to 3. Whenever they ask find the ratio, always assume lambda ratio 1. Don't assume m ratio n. Then it will be very calculative and you will stuck. Question also they are making like that. They given 0 on purpose so that we can compare and we can get easily the answer. Look, Soumya. This is A husband. This is C husband. Okay. And these are the wives, lambda and 1. Everybody likes neighbor's wife. So we call this Padosi ki biwi. Soumya, now okay? Padosi ki biwi. Next, you can write final answer is hence B points final line you can write. Hence B points divide AC in ratio 2 ratio 1. This final answer you can write. One extra line. You can write thus hence point B divides AC in ratio 2 ratio 3. Into ratio 3.